Yeah, so how was I feeling when I came in on Friday night? That's a good question because, wow, I was a little bit apprehensive and, it was interesting walking in and seeing all these strangers. And, I thought, oh, well, I might connect with the odd one or two. And I thought, the weekend ahead, it's going to be the odd probably bit of personal development, sort of usual stuff you've seen before, corporate world or whatever. Boy, was I ever wrong. It was just so different. And if you fast forward to now, how I feel, it's just, words are hard to describe it because it's just bloody, it's a mind-blowing experience. And it is incredible to come here on Friday night, be amongst strangers, and to leave here today amongst brothers. And that's not too much of a stretch at all, because it's just so many processes we went through where you had to, make a choice and reach into yourself and find that vulnerable, authentic self. And I met that person on this weekend, and it was incredible. And I'm just so glad I did it. If you do it, you're going to be so blown away by what this is, because it will be fantastic. I guarantee that. It is just absolutely incredible. And the energy that's created from all the people around you, you just can't beat it. You just can't describe it. It is so different than anything else you've probably tried.